how it looks like. It looks so bomb, guys, and yeah, I can't wait to taste. Can you guys see how bomb this looks? Welcome to another episode with Caddy Family! So you guys, today I'm going to be making some mac and cheese. So the first things first, guys, I'm going to go put my water inside a pot. So let's go do it right now. So you guys, now I'm just going to leave it to boil for a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to be putting it inside. Wow! Guys, while my water is boiling, I'm going to be shredding my cheese. So let me put everything to the side.
Yeah, oh, your girl did her hair yesterday. That's why you see her neck hanging in like that.
I'm shredding my cheese now. We have a lot of cheese here. And then after that, guys, I'm going to be putting inside a plate because I'm full. Okay. Now I'm going to be bringing the plate, guys. And I'm going to put inside my cheese inside the plates. And my water is still boiling. So you guys, my water's ready. Now I'm going to be putting inside my chicken broth. Here we have our macaroni, guys. I'm going to be putting inside 2 packs. But if you want, guys, you can put in 1. And 3, 2, 1. Macaroni! So you guys, I'm going to be stirring. So you guys, I'm going to let it to cook, but not fully cooked. And then guys, I'm going to be taking it off. This is how this looks, guys. I'm going to be covering it. Let me put this in this one. And guys, this is also a very easy recipe you guys can make for lunch. So you guys are now all ready. Now let's be putting inside our ingredients. So the first things first, guys, we're going to be putting inside some heavy cream. Here's it. I have it in a cup. Let's put it inside. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting inside my butter. 1, 2. Now I'm going to be cracking 4 eggs. Guys can crack like, I think this is the, you guys can crack. And guys, this is very easy and very fast. You guys can make this for dinner. Very easy recipe, guys. There's something inside. Let's remove it. And you guys make sure there's no of the skin that's inside there, because that can ruin the food. Now guys, I'm going to be putting inside my sour cream. So you guys, now I'm going to be mixing. It looks so long, guys. And yeah, now I'm going to be putting inside my spices. Here we have my oregano. Hey guys, now I'm going to be putting inside my onion powder. Now I'm going to be putting inside my cayenne pepper. Guys, now I'm going to be putting inside my basil leaf. So you guys, now I'm going to be putting inside my Cajun seasoning. Now I'm going to be putting inside my garlic herb. Now let's put in our salt. Now, last but not least, we're going to be putting inside my favorite spicy, some paprika. So you guys, now I'm going to be putting inside my cheese. This looks. Guys, now I'm going to be putting inside my cheese. Now I'm going to be mixing. So you guys, now I'm going to be spraying my cooking spray on my tray. Now I'm starting doing my macaroni. So you guys, now I'm going to be putting inside my cheese. So you guys, I'm done doing my first layer. Now I'm going to go to the second layer. So you guys, now I'm going to be putting inside my cheese. Here we go, yeah? No. Go. Christopher. And jump. Jump. Sandy, I want to show you something. Look, I just want to do this. guys, I'm done my 2 layers. Now I'm gonna be putting inside my paprika. You don't teleport shit. That's not how we teleport. Press the X. Now I'm gonna be putting inside my parsley. You're not doing it. That's what happens. Whoa! If you want to play a different game, you can teleport. If you don't want to. So you guys, this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to be putting inside in the oven. What's that? So you guys, the oven has been preheated for 350 degrees. Now I'm going to be putting inside my mac and cheese inside the oven for 5 minutes. So you guys, I'll see you in 5 minutes. And yeah, guys. So you guys, this is the end result. This is how it looks like. It looks so good, guys. And yeah, this is how the mac and cheese looks like. This is the end result. This is how it looks like. This is how our macaroni looks like, and with our cheese. Now I'm gonna be tasting, but first things first, we're gonna be cutting it. Look at that cheesiness. This is how it looks like. Looks so good, guys. Now I'm gonna pray and eat. Amen. Amen. God bless this food, bless me, bless my family, bless everyone in this world, bless Jesus, bless God, bless everyone, bless my friends, bless my teachers, bless God, bless everyone in this world. Amen. I am blessed, I am protected, God bless me, I can be once be alive forever. Amen. Now let's taste. Cheers. This is so good. Guys, this is the dinner thing. This is a dinner thing you guys can make for your family. Looks so good, guys, and yeah. And also, guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yeah, guys, these are for those who made it to the end. Cheers. This is amazing. This is so good, guys. Like, guys can make this for dinner if you want. And guys, this is so good. You guys should make this. And please, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye, guys.